Hello, Nina and Luke here at Twin Cities Harley-Davidson in Lakeville, coming back at you with another monthly video. Remember last month we said we were going to do these monthly? Yeah, we're okay. We're back again. So we are going to get right into it because this February we have a lot going on. All right, first up, Rolling Daytona. It's still going on. It's going until February 14th. Come on in, enter to win a trip to Daytona Bike Week, a $5,000 gift card, and a bunch of other wonderful prizes. Again, that ends on February 14th. And then the next day, Saturday, February 15th, we have our Ride into 2025 event. Oh, it's so exciting. We are giving away so many things that day. Keep an eye out. I am going to post another video with more details on that. But just for a little taste, on that day, February 15th, enter to win one of two brand new 2025 motorcycles, along with a whole bunch of other stuff. All right, I'm going to toss it over to Luke so he can tell you about what's going on the motorcycle side of things.
Yeah, we're all really jacked up. I'm sure a lot of us are aware by now at the end of January, Harley-Davidson did their global new model launch at the end of January. So there's a lot of really exciting stuff coming up in 2025. For those of you that don't know, they rolled out a whole bunch of new Softails with new motors and ride modes and all kinds of pretty awesome updates on the Softail lineup. So it's been a while since anything's been changed on those. I'd highly encourage you to come check out all the new awesome upgrades on the Softails, where we saw the introduction of a new model called a Street Glide Ultra. The colors are killer this year. We got some sitting on the showroom floor. The biggest selection of 2025 Harley-Davidsons in the market right now. So if you want to come and actually see some in person and sit on them, interact with them, see the colors in person, the dealership, Twin Cities Harley-Davidson here in Lakeville, has the most bikes for you to actually come see in person. We have some really awesome promos going on this month too. We've got 0.1% APR and a free Stage 2 upgrade available on all 2024 Softail models. And our service department's got some cool stuff going on. We got our legendary February going on back in service. They got 20% off Legend suspension, parts, and labor all month. So come on in and get your ride upgraded, get your bike right here this legendary February. And for those of you that have your bikes in our winter storage program, just a heads up too that, sometimes we get some abnormally nice weather in March, so we're not too far from maybe considering coming to get your bike and getting some upgrades done. So while our come on in and get that stuff done while our schedule is not crazy packed like it is during the season. And we're also still on the hunt for pre-owned bikes. So if you or anyone that you know has a bike that you're interested in selling or trading in, we'd love to have a conversation with you about that. So a lot of really exciting stuff going on.
All right, now back to the events. This Saturday, February 8th, treat yourself. There's so much happening in February with Valentine's Day and your loved ones and this and that, but we here at TCHD think you should treat the number one in your life, you. So come on in and treat yourself. Spin our feel-good wheel of fortune for tons of prizes and goodies, and get a lovely Valentine's Day present/Valentine's from us here at TCHD. That is this Saturday, the 8th. We can't wait. And then the big one this month on February 22nd, we have our 2025 new model release party. Like Luke said, we have the most 2025s here on our show floor at TCHD. So come on in, check them out. And if you are a part of the Facebook group Harley Riders of Minnesota, this is going to be a very special day for you. I've been seeing on there a lot of people want to be able to meet and mingle with other members. This is your chance on February 22nd. Come on in, meet the other members. We're going to have the full bar here along with food. They're bringing some delicious sliders and other goodies. We're also going to have our Riding Academy instructors here on that day so they can answer questions. You can ride the Jumpstart. Minnesota Valley Hog chapter is going to be here for renewals and signups. Oh my goodness, it's just going to be so much fun. We have a ton going on this month at TCHD.
Yeah, February 22nd is going to be a huge day here. Like we said, We got our 2025 new model release party. And I'm expecting us to probably have 35 to 40 2025 bikes sitting on our showroom floor. So if you're curious about what Harley's got to offer this year, colors, styles, models, come on in, get some food, have a drink, and check those bikes out with us. We'd love to show them to you.
Yay! Make sure to always stay up to date, stay in the loop. You can join our text club. Of course, best way is to come on in or follow us on all of our socials. I will include links in the description boxes to find out more information on all said mentioned things in this video, because we said a lot of words. So click on those links to stay updated and check everything out. It's going to be a wonderful month. We can't wait to see you.
Winter's almost over. We're almost there.
Yay!
We'll see you guys around the dealership.
We'll see you soon.